This is for Year 12 Specialists. It comes out of 7A, A, B and C, working out these definite integrals. In the first case we have an exponential, so that's going to equal the integral of e to the x is e to the x minus the integral of e to the negative x will be negative e to the x. So that's going to turn into positive, going from -1 to 1. Putting in the top number first, e to the 1 plus e to the -1 minus e to the -1 minus e to the -1, which would be e minus e plus e, 1 on e minus, gives me 0. Looking at the second example, I'll have 3x cubed on 3 plus 2x squared on 2 plus 4x from 0 to 2, which is x cubed plus x squared plus 4x from 0 to 2, which will be 2 goes in first, so 8 plus 4 plus 16 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0, which gives 4, that's an 8. That gives me 20. And lastly, the integral of sine is negative cos, but we have a 2 there, the derivative of that is 2, so it's going to be -1/2 cos of 2x from 0 to pi on 2, -1/2 cos of 2 times pi on 2 is pi, plus 1/2 cos of 0. Cos of pi is -1, so -1/2 times -1 plus 1/2 times 1 is 1/2 plus 1/2. The answer is 1. So that's those three definite integrals.